Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my tutorial channel. It's Daniel here, and today I'm going to show you how to run a t-test for pair symbols on calculator TI84 CE+. So let's look at this example. For this example, we are given a pair of two symbols, the rear and the front symbols. And we want to verify whether the mean time for the rear brake pads to wear out is longer than the mean time for the front pads. So here this is two symbol, rear and front. And each symbol we have 9 automobiles. See that? And then from these two symbols we find the symbols of the differences by taking its number from the rear, subtract the front. For example, 42.7 subtract 32.8 is 9.9. See that? And so on, we have a new symbol. However, for the calculator, we actually don't need this symbol. We can generate it on the calculator. So here, the conclusion is we want to see whether the rear is longer than the front. That means mu1 is greater than mu2. That means we want to test whether mu_d is greater than 0. So it should be a right tail test. See that? So now we are going to use a calculator to test this pair of two symbols. Alright, so this is my calculator. And before we run the test, we have to enter the dataset. So I'm going to check my dataset. Here I have 3 lists. I have to clear the list before I do anything. So I'm going to choose option number 4, clear list. And I'm going to clear all the lists that is full of numbers. So we have L1s, comma. Oh, not this one. L1, let me redo it. We have stat, option number 4, clear list, second L1, comma, second L2, and comma, second L3, and hit enter. So the list is clear. Now we enter the rear symbol to L1. We got 42.7, then 36.7, then 46.1, then 46, then 39.9, then 51.7, then 51.6, then 46, 46.1, 47.3, that is the rear symbol. Now for the front symbol, we got 32.8, and then 26.6, and then 35.6, 36.4, 29.2, 40.9, one more 40.9, 48.9, and then 34.8 and 36.6. Alright, so here I'm not gonna enter the difference into list L3 because some problem you are not given the difference symbol, you have to generate it. So in order to generate list L3, first I get out of this one by hit second quit, and then I use second L1, subtract second L2, because the difference here is list L1 subtract list L2, the rear subtract the front, and I have to store the answer into list L3. So I hit right here STO. STO here means store, so we hit STO, we have a right arrow, you see that, and then we choose the list to store it. So right now this function means that we take list L1, subtract list L2 line by line, and save the new answer to list L3. So now we hit enter. So list L3 will consist of these numbers 9.9, 10.1, 10.5, and so on. We see that these numbers look like the different symbol, right? So now we hit on stat and go to edit to check the dataset again. Now you see that we have generated list L3, right? So in order to test the pair symbol L1 and L2, we can simply use one symbol test on L3, and we are going to use t-test. So go ahead and hit on stat, choose tests, and go down to t-test. Alright, so here let's choose dataset over stats. And mu naught here is 0 because we want to see whether mu d is positive. List here is L3, not L1. You have to be very careful at the list here. It's L3, not L1, okay? And then frequency is 1, and this is right tail test, so I choose the last option. You see that? The color doesn't matter, so we can ignore it and hit calculate. So here we have the test. The test is 60.27 and the p-value. So from here we see that the p-value is super small, right? It's 3.19 e to the negative 12. This is scientific notation. That means 0.00000003188, right? It's around like 11 number of 0. You see that? So the p-value here is super small, so we have to reject the null hypothesis. So that's it. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next time. Bye bye.